จริงครั้งแรกบ้างครับ
Anybody have seen them before, or is it your first time seeing these two?
First time?
First time Oh my god
Yeah, we're so excited and so happy to see you guys here in New York. So this is our first time, and of course, this is คือเป็นงานที่เราเห็นพี่ๆตัวแฟนเยอะมาก
So this is the first time I see so many international fans, so they're really excited.
แล้วขอมาเจอทางซ้ายก่อนได้ไหมครับ Hello
Hello
โอ้มืดเหมือนกันนะ It's dark here สวัสดีครับ
You can step back yeah
โอ้โอเค sir
okay
Hands up cute โอ้ทางนี้แบบว่า where are you from Texas
Texas
Australia New York of course
wow
Oh my god Thailand Me too So what about the middle Where are you from Kentucky here New York California Oh I want to go to every city เลย Hi Oh do you have project
fan project
Okay surprise Okay I'm gonna let Where are you from
Brazil
Yeah.
wow
Wow. First of all, you all so beautiful, so handsome. Oh. And you guys are OO. You are OO.
oh
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yeah, we have in this morning we wake up early and go to Central Park.
yeah Central Park
We really loved it. It's so people and the vibe and everything. Like we got so many photos.
yeah her love this yeah
เอาให้เก่งพูดมั่ง
ฮะเขาชอบมากเขาสิ่งแรกที่แบบที่เช้านี้ที่เขาอยากไปคืออยากไปเซ็นทรัลพาร์ค
Namping like Central Park a lot, so that's the first thing they did this morning.
And I have like some secret. But I will tell you guys.
I know
You know, of course. Yeah, I have some secret, but I will tell you guys in the main event, like after this in the show. Yes. But it's in a good way. The secret in a good way. Yeah. And I have secret in the
trip
yeah.
you
I don't know that I can tell
ask-
you guys.
you can ask about
Yes. It's the things that happen to me. Yeah, but okay.
เดี๋ยวให้เขาเล่าแล้วกัน เดี๋ยวถ้ามีโอกาสเดี๋ยวให้เขาเล่าว่าเกี่ยวกับอะไร
So
Yeah.
Namping is gonna have. Ken said that Namping is gonna have told him the story later.
Yeah, but we really happy that we be here because this is rare chance to เจอทุกคนที่US นะครับก็หวังว่าวันนี้ทุกคนจะมีความสุขที่ได้มาเจอพวกเราแบบไม่มากก็น้อยนะโอเคไหมครับ
So this is the first time in the US, so I hope everyone's excited to see them here.
ก็ถ้าเกิดว่าใครกรี๊ดใครเชียร์ได้ก็เต็มที่นะครับไม่ต้องเขินอาย
So you guys can keep sharing and don't be nervous at all. Just keep sharing for them, okay?
good
But we might like a little bit like shaking because the weather here is so cool. But we will try our best to the sound check. You guys ready? Yes. Let's sing along together.
Okay.
Sound check song is gonna be like. You know this song? Yeah, let's sing along together if
Okay.
you can.